Hi everyone, today I'm going to try to show you how to debug the type error that happens in Python, and it occurs when an operation of function is applied to an object of inappropriate type most of the time. So for example, you have mismatch. Those are the most common cases that we're going to cover. One of the example is when you try to do hello and add it to a number 4, so you get that type error. So one thing that you can do is you can convert this 4 to a string, or you can just do stir 4 and that will work. So you're converting data types before trying to make operations together. The other thing that can happen is when you try to index a non-indexable type, because essentially this is an integer and you cannot slice an integer that way. If it was a string, it will work. So make sure that you're not trying to slice this. The other thing that can happen is like when you call a function, you do those parentheses, but right now it's a list. You cannot call it, and it's type error. You also, when you have variable equal none and you try to do operations on it, you cannot do this, type error. Incompatible types in comparison. You cannot compare a string apple if it's smaller or bigger than 5, so this will return that type error. You cannot also assign incorrect dictionary key types, and you cannot have that type mismatch that we have discussed earlier.